What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video we are looking at the new project car. I've had it for 2 days. I was waiting to finish off the Golf. That is now done. So without further ado, let's bring in the new project car and you guys can tell me what you think we should do. So there it is, guys. It is a 2002 1.8 Celica Vvti. I paid £500 for this car. As always, I always tell you what I paid. Hopefully, so I have £2 grand. Why do I think that? Let's take a look around. So the interior, these leather seats. But a lot of you are wondering what I'm going to do with the Celica. And the sad thing is, I'm going to restore it. I'm going to try and make it back to as original as possible over a few episodes. It's not going to be a long series, but I have got something in mind after the Celica. So if it sounds like something you'll be interested in, hit that subscribe button and let's go on a journey with the Celica. So I'm going to end that video there, guys. Join me along this journey to restore this Celica and see how close to £2 grand we can actually get to buy another project car. Till next time, guys. Peace.